tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, KIH 35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And in northern West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally, in east central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast. The forecast for Pittsburgh.
Alright, done with the KIH test on the radios.
Highs in the lower 50s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour.
Now I just need to get the easy rail.
Mostly cloudy. Lows around 30.
It's almost time anyway.
5 to 10 miles an hour. For Thursday, mostly cloudy in the morning and becoming partly sunny. Much colder with highs in the upper 30s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. For Thursday night, mainly clear. Very cold with lows around 20.
Alright, it should be coming any minute. I'm gonna shut this up. Okay, here we go. Thank you, WAHC.